Why the Sabbath still matters in 2025. The world in 2025 is faster, louder, and more chaotic than ever. Digital screens flicker with ceaseless updates, the markets move with ruthless efficiency, and the clock ticks relentlessly forward. People rush from task to task, tethered to schedules that never sleep. Yet, amidst the noise and the rush, a voice echoes from the dawn of time. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 28. Many claim the Sabbath is outdated, a relic of ancient times, best left in the dusty pages of history. But I challenge you. Was God's command a mere suggestion? Did he set it in stone, etched by his own finger, only for it to fade away with time? Exodus 31:18. Or is it more eternal, more significant than most dare to acknowledge? A memorial to creation. Long before there were nations, before there was Israel, before even the first command was uttered to Abraham, the Sabbath was established. When God finished his work of creation, he did something remarkable. He rested, Genesis 2:2-3. He didn't need to. He is omnipotent, unwearied by labor. Yet he paused, blessed the seventh day, and sanctified it. But why? It was a memorial, a sign that he alone is the creator, the architect of the universe. He didn't just command the Sabbath, he modeled it. And he did not whisper it softly. He inscribed it on stone with his own hand, ensuring its permanence. The shift to Sunday. Who authorized it? Fast forward to our modern world, and the majority worship on Sunday. But why? Who made the change? Was it Christ? Search the scriptures. Christ declared, "Think not that I am come to destroy the law, but to fulfill." Matthew 5:17. He kept the Sabbath, Luke 4:16. His apostles honored it, Acts 13:42-44, and the early church observed it long after his resurrection. The Catholic Church claims authority over the shift. In the Convert's Catechism of Catholic Doctrine, it plainly states, the Church substituted Sunday for Saturday by the plenitude of that divine power which Jesus Christ bestowed upon her. But did Christ bestow that power? Or did tradition, politics, and convenience drive the change? The Council of Laodicea in AD 364 was the first to mandate Sunday worship, not by divine command, but by ecclesiastical decree. Does God's law change? Malachi 3:6 rings with clarity. For I am the Lord, I change not. If God's character is unchanging, then so is his law. If his Sabbath was holy at creation, holy at Sinai, and honored by Christ, who among men dares to declare it obsolete? Isaiah prophesied of the new earth, declaring that, "From one Sabbath to another, all flesh shall come to worship before me, says the Lord." Isaiah 66:23. If the Sabbath remains in eternity, why is it discarded now? Why it matters in 2025? In an age where rest is a commodity, the Sabbath is a divine appointment. It is a call to step away from the chaos, to remember who holds time in his hands. It is a mark of allegiance, a symbol of trust in the Creator, not the creature. The question isn't whether the Sabbath is relevant. The question is whether you will honor it. Will you follow God's eternal command or the traditions of men? Will you remember the day he declared holy or brush it aside for convenience? The choice is yours, eternal truth or temporary tradition.